Today we'll design a pastel tone fashion poster using gentle color gradients and elegant compositions. Start with a large artboard and create a diagonal gradient using lavender, blush pink, or baby blue. Import your model photo and remove the background cleanly using Select Subject. Apply soft light on a gradient map layer to harmonize colors. Add large, thin typography with lots of spacing to give a luxury aesthetic. Create soft shapes, circles, blobs, or curved rectangles, and place them behind the model at reduced opacity. Add a subtle grain texture for a printed paper feel. Create soft shadows under the model using a blurred oval shape. Finish with a tiny color accent, like gold or peach, to guide the viewer's eye. This balanced, pastel approach works beautifully for beauty